how did events he escaped, and okay, and McLary, he says that he knew where events had gone, and he also shows the question paper on which the plan it was superimposed. Okay, it was pasted on the question paper, and he shows it to the governor. Got it up till here, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको आ गया? कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है? सोच लो एक बार. Okay. Now page number 83, the very first line, put the date, beta, hurry up, put the date. Put the date. You see what they have done, Governor. You see his voice trailed off again as the governor, dredging the layers of long neglected learning, willed himself to translate the German text before him. अब जो था मैकलेरी, he was showing the governor, okay, the question paper on which a sheet, it was superimposed, okay, it was pasted on the question paper. तो वो कहता है, you see what they have done, governor. और जो governor था, though it was not clear, okay, the German language was not clear, but he was just trying to translate the German language. Even he knew somewhat German language, but for a long time the language had been neglected by him, means he was not in touch with this language. Okay, so now in the next parabita, the first 2 3 lines, they are in the German text. I'll not read it. I'll read the translation of these lines. Okay, Sai, Sol, and them, these are German language. Okay, these are German words. So I'm going to read from here, because these lines, the meaning has been given here. You must follow the plan. समझ में आया? तो वो जो गवर्नर है वो पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, और पढ़ता है, फिर बीच में ही इज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, बट एटलीस्ट okay, he just tries to find out the plan. Okay, what is the plan? So you must follow the plan already, something something something. Okay, it means वो थोड़ा पढ़ लेता है कि yes तुम्हें plan follow करना है. And all these things, these things, they were written on the paper that was superimposed on the question paper, that was pasted on the last page of the question paper. समझ में आ रहा है? तो German language में ये सब लिखा हुआ था. तो he is trying to read who? The governor, and he says you must follow the plan already. The vital point in time is 3 minutes before the end of the exam, but something 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 something, you got it? गवर्नर पढ़ लेता थोड़ा बहुत जर्मन लैंग्वेज, एंड देन ही वाज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, तो वो कोशिश करता ही यस यस है ना, कई गैसेस उसने करे. डोंट हिट हिम टू हार्ड. ओके, रिमेंबर ही इज अ मिनिस्टर. ये भी प्लान में लिखा हुआ था, डोंट हिट हिम. किसको हिट करना था?
McLary.
यस,
McLary.
गुड. तो
McLary.
उस प्लान में था, डोंट हिट हिम टू हार्ड, ही इज अ मिनिस्टर, ही इज अ व्हाट, he's a priest, a clergyman, and don't overdo the Scots accent, okay? And do not overdo the Scottish accent. A fast approaching siren wailed to its crescendo. Crescendo, you got it? Wailing is the sound, and the crescendo is the place where the loudest point of the sound it could be heard. The great doors of the prison yard were pushed back, and a white police car squealed to a jerky halt beside them. Squealing is screaming. Okay, एकदम से आके a white police car it came and stopped with a jerk. Detective Superintendent Carter swung himself out of the passenger seat. Okay, swung means came out, like waving, he just came out of the passenger seat and saluted the governor. What's the hell happening, sir? And turning to McLary, Christ, who has hit him? Now, Detective Superintendent Carter, he comes, and his car, it comes in the premises of Oxford prison, and it stops with a jerky halt. अचानक से है ना, एकदम तेज ब्रेक के साथ it stops. Superintendent Carter, he comes out and he says, sir, what's all is going on here. And when he sees McLary, he was shocked and he says, "Oh God, who has hit him so hard?" But McLary cut across whatever explanation the governor might have given. Elsfield Way, officer, I know where Evans, okay? But McLary, he cut across. He did not think of answering him. He was just, governor was giving him the explanation. Who? To the superintendent. So he did not mind in giving any kind of explanation to him, and he just asked him to take him to Elsfield Way. Why? Because he says, I know where Evans has gone. He was breathing heavily and leaned. Lean means bent for support against the side of the car, where the imprint of his hand was left in tarnished crimson. Now, what happened? He says that, just take me to Elsfield Way because I know where Evans has gone, and then he takes the support of the side of the car, and his hand, all were in blood. So the imprint, okay, the impression of the hand, it was there on the car. Tarnished red is of red color. In bewilderment, Carter looked to the governor for guidance. What? Now he was bewildered, surprised, amazed, and shocked. उसने गवर्नर को देखा. What? He was not able to understand. The governor कहता, take him with you if you think he will be all right. He is the only one who seems to know what is happening. Governor orders him and says, you better take him. Why? Because he is the only one who knows what is happening and where Evans had gone. Carter opened the back door and helped McLary sit inside, and within a few seconds the car leaped away in a spurt of gravel. A spurt of gravel, you समझते हो ना, the speed of gravel क्या होता है? छोटे छोटे कंकड़ पत्थर नहीं होते हैं बेटा, है ना, small pebbles and all. Elsfield Way, McLary had said, and there it was staring up at the governor from the last few lines of the German text. From Elsfield Way, drive to the Haddington roundabout. Where, yes, of course. Now see, Carter and McLary, they both left, but the question paper, it was there with the governor, and he was reading those lines, okay? And again, he stares at the line, and Elsfield Way, he was reading the last few lines of the German text. From Elsfield Way, drive to the Haddington roundabout. Okay, roundabout देखते हो ना, गोल चक्कर जो शहरों में होता है जहाँ से many roads, वो निकलती हैं. तो प्लान में था कि फ्रॉम एल्सफील्ड वे मूव ऑन टू द हेडिंगटन राउंड अबाउट, वेयर के बाद फ्यू डैशेस वर देयर. यस ऑफ कोर्स. फिर एकदम गवर्नर ही रिमेंबर्स द एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड वाज इन एल्सफील्ड वे. Why he had to go there? Governor, he understands the plan, and he thinks, yes, someone from the board must have been involved in the escape plan from the very beginning. Are you getting it, children? वो समझ गया कि कोई
Yes,
ना
ma'am.
कोई, हाँ, फ्रॉम द बोर्ड ऑफिस, है ना, इसमें इंक्लूड है, इन्वॉल्व है. द क्वेश्चन पेपर इटसेल्फ, द करेक्शन स्लिप, राइट. बिना किसी के इन्वॉल्वमेंट इट वुडंट हैव बीन पॉसिबल. The governor turned to Jackson and Stephens. I don't need to tell you what happened, do I? Now, they have gone, and governor now he turns to Jackson and Stephens. And he just tells them, I do not think that I should tell you what has happened. Uh, his voice sounded almost calm in its scathing contempt. Means scathing contempt is a somewhat extreme hatred, he had for these two officers. And which one of you two morons was it who took Evans for a nice little walk to the main gate? Now see, very, this contempt was there, disrespect was there in the governor for these two police officers, and he turns to Jackson and Stephens and says, and which one of you two morons, morons होते fools, idiots, okay, कि तुम दोनों में से कौन idiot था? Now listen, who took Evans for a nice little walk to the main gates and waved him bye-bye? Was he right in saying so? He was asking two of the officers who had taken him to the main gates. But do you remember there was a call for Stephens in which the
Yes,
governor
ma'am, the
ordered him?
government ordered
Now listen
Stephens
to
to take
it,
him.
my dear children. That was a fake call. Got it? It was a fake call. And whosoever had rang up did not ask to talk to Jackson. Why? Because Jackson recognized the voice of governor very well. So the person had asked to call Stephens. Stephens was a newly recruited officer and he was not well known with the governor's voice. समझ में आया? Newly
Yes,
appointed
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
officer था Stephens का इनकी planning देखो. Right? That was a fake call. जिसमें the person did not ask to talk to Jackson. No, sorry, है ना? हाँ, Jackson से. ठीक है? और क्या उसने बोला था कि he wants to talk to Stephens. And he introduced himself as the governor. Okay, कि मैं governor बोल रहा हूँ and I want to talk to Stephens. Why so? Because Stephens did not recognize the voice of the governor as he was newly appointed, recruited. Jackson had been serving from so many years, he was a senior police officer. So he recognized the governor's voice very well. If he would have attended the phone, surely he would have come to know that it was a fake call. पता पड़ जाता ना उसको, क्योंकि वो गवर्नर की वॉइस को पहचानता था. तो प्लानिंग इतनी अच्छी थी कि इन्होंने बोला कि स्टीफन से बात करो. समझ गए बेटा? तो दैट वाज अ फेक कॉल जिसमें इन्हीं का कोई आदमी था who acted as a governor and ordered Stephens to see McLary of the main gates. और वो कब क्लियर हुआ? अब जाके क्लियर हुआ जब वो पूछता है कि तुम दो इडियट्स में से कौन था, है ना, जो मैकलैरी को सी ऑफ करके आया टू द मेन गेट. राइट? अब बेचारा स्टीफन स्टैमर करने लगता है, जुबान लड़खड़ा जाती है उसकी. एंड ही सेज इट वाज मी सर, बट जस्ट लाइक यू टोल्ड मी सर आई कुड हैव स्worn. नाउ ही सेज कि I can swear sir you only told me. Now this poor fellow, he hardly knew that it wasn't the voice of the governor. अब उसकी क्या गलती? कहता है सर आपने ही तो मुझे बोला था. What? Just like I told you? You say what the hell? Who says this? The governor. मैंने बोला. What the hell is this? When you rang sir and told me to. Stephen says sir you rang me and you told me to. When was that? अब ऐसा कब हुआ? Now the governor, he was very much surprised. The governor's voice was a whiplash now. Okay, a sudden movement, it came into governor's voice, a surprise was there. When was that? When did I ring you and ask you to drop McLary off the main gates? I did not ask you. You know, sir, about 20 past 11 just before. Got it? Yani, just before the exam, it was going to finish. ओके, उससे पहले बेचारा स्टीफन्स की क्या गलती? कहता है सर जस्ट बिफोर द एग्जाम इट वाज गोइंग टू फिनिश यू रैंग मी. यू ब्लिथरिंग इडियट, it wasn't me who rang you, don't you realize? But what was the use now? अब गवर्नर को बहुत गुस्सा आता है, कहता है ब्लिथरिंग इडियट यू, it wasn't me, I did not ring you up. लेकिन अब क्या मतलब? He had used the telephone at that time, but only to try unsuccessfully once more to get through to the examination. तुम्हें ध्यान है बेटा? उसने फोन का वो उठाया था, क्रैडल. ओके, रिसीवर उसने उठाया था, है ना, and he just wanted to ring again to the board examination to get it confirmed whether the call was of the assistant secretary or not. Earlier also he had rang many times, but क्या हो रहा था? स्टैकेटो ब्लीप्स आ रही थी, एंगेज टोन आ रही थी. ओके, तो लास्ट में भी वो कोशिश करता है कि एक बार और फोन मिला के मैं कंफर्म कर लूं. तो उधर तो वो फोन मिलाता है एंड फ्रॉम द अदर साइड अ कॉल वाज देयर, अ फेक कॉल वाज देयर फ्रॉम द गवर्नर फॉर स्टीफन्स. You got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
अभी 2-3 मिनट पहले ही गवर्नर ने फोन उठाया था ना टू गेट इट कंफर्म कि वेदर इट वाज अ फेक कॉल और अ रियल वन, है ना, असिस्टेंट सेक्रेटरी का. लेकिन अगेन ही गॉट द एंगेज टोन. He shook his head in growing despair and turned on the senior prison officer. चलो अब स्टीफन्स पे तो थोड़ा गुस्सा कम हो गया. Why? Because he was newly appointed and it was not his mistake. लेकिन senior prison officer को उसने अच्छा खासा डांटना शुरू कर दिया. As for you, Jackson, how long have you been pretending you have got a brain? Huh? Well, I'll tell you something, Jackson. Your skull's empty, absolutely empty. और कहता है जैक्सन तुम कब से pretend कर रहे हो? You act as if you're very brainy, you're very intelligent. But I would say that your head, you know, your skull, it's absolutely empty. बिल्कुल खाली है तुम्हारा दिमाग, बिल्कुल खाली. It was Jackson who had spent 2 hours in event cell the previous evening. Okay, we had read in the beginning only ki Jackson, you know, he searched thoroughly, even the nail filer, the nail scissors, everything was taken out, and even finally the razor from which he was shaving, okay, even it was taken out. तो कुछ था ही नहीं, but how did he manage, you know, to smuggle all these things and hit McClary? समझ में आया? तो कहते हैं जैक्सन तुम बड़े स्मार्ट बनते हो, बड़े ब्रेनी बनते हो, and you said you had searched his cell thoroughly. And it was Jackson who had confidently reported that there was nothing hidden away there, nothing at all. Getting it? और गवर्नर कहता है जैक्सन you only reported कि nothing is hidden in Evans cell, nothing at all. But yet Evans had somehow managed to conceal not only a false beard, अब उसने conceal यानी hide कर ली, false beard भी hide कर ली, pair of spectacles भी hide कर लिया, dog collar and all the rest of his clerical पैराफेरनेलिया. और जो उसकी सारी प्रीस की ड्रेस थी, सारे उसके आइटम्स थे, एवरीथिंग. हाउ डिड ही मैनेज? You know, Governor, he was shouting on Jackson. Now you tell me, how did he manage? You said that you have searched him thoroughly and there wasn't anything in his cell. But how did he manage? But also some sort of weapon, or besides all these things, he was also having some weapon with which he had given McClary such a terrible blow across the head. ओके. और गवर्नर कहता है उसके अलावा भी उसके पास क्या था, कोई वेपन था जिससे ही हैड हिट मैक्लेरी सो हार्ड दैट ही वाज ब्लीडिंग बैडली. आर यू गेटिंग इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the students they left. A prison van backed alongside, but the governor made no immediate move. He looked down again at the last line of the German. Okay, उसी समय a prison van, you know, it comes, but governor, you know, he did not made any kind of movement. Why? Because all his attention was there in the German question paper, the last paper on which the plan was written. अब क्या था? From the Elsfield way to the Headington roundabout जाना है. Where you go straight over, or Headington roundabout say you will move straight over. These instructions was These instructions were for whom? किसके लिए थे ये instructions? अरे
Events के लिए.
किसके लिए?
events.
हाँ, events के लिए. ये पूरा plan था ना. On the question paper it was pasted ना कि तुम निकलोगे यहाँ से 3 minutes before you are going to do all these things, और फिर उसको hit करोगे जब तक वो phone attend करना चला जाएगा, this and that. Okay. तो उसमें ये लिखा था यहाँ से यू विल गो टू एल्सफील्ड वे. वहां तो गवर्नर समझ गया एल्सफील्ड वे में द बोर्ड ऑफिस इज देयर, इसका मतलब somebody from बोर्ड ऑफिस इज इन्वॉल्व, राइट. फिर वहां से हेडिंगटन राउंड अबाउट, आई सेड ना व्हाट इज राउंड अबाउट, गोल चक्कर जो होता है जहां से कई रूट्स निकलती है. ओके, द बी सर्कल. ओके, वहां से यू विल गो स्ट्रेट ओवर एंड मेक योर वे. ओके, नाउ यू विल फॉलो द वे टू न्यू ग्रेबन. वहां से न्यू ग्रेबन जाओगे. नाउ सी New Graben, where on earth? Now, Governor, he thinks, where is New Graben? Elsfield Way, he knows. Okay. Roundabout, Headington Roundabout, he knows. But New Graben? There is no such place, he thinks. Where on earth? New something, New Grave, never heard of it. है ना. न्यू ग्रेबन मतलब न्यू ग्रेव ही हुई. वो मनी मन गवर्नर सोचता आई हैव नेवर हर्ड ऑफ इट. देयर वाज अ वॉर ग्रेव. वॉर ग्रेव वाज अ प्लेस. somewhere near Reading. Reading is also the name of a place. समझ गए बेटा? Reading is also the name of a place. Okay, not the reading that we do. It's the name of a place. तो मनीमन सोचता है कि न्यू ग्रेव, there is no such place. Wargrave is there. Reading is there. That is just near Wargrave. Okay. No, it was probably a code word. And governor, he was very clever. मनीमन सोचता नहीं, ये तो कोई code है. Okay. And then it hit him. And then it struck him. Okay. दिमाग में आया, Newbury is the place. Now grave में what do? You bury the people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So to misguide others, they have written New Grave, but it was very well understood by Evans. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
जिससे पुलिस ना पकड़े, लेकिन governor, he was very clever. Anyhow, he finds the real place, the real meaning of New Grave, और फिर उसको ध्यान आता है, yes, Bury is there, okay? So Bury से थोड़ा सा एक synonym की तरह उन्होंने grave use कर दिया, Newbury. God, yes, Newbury, a big, pretty sort of big place it was, but okay, now he understood that. From there, he has to proceed to Newbury. He read out his orders to the driver. Okay, he gave his orders to the driver. Send Aldate's police station and stamp on it. Take Jackson and Stephens here, and when you get there, ask for Bell. Chief Inspector Bell got there, and he says the driver to go to St. Aldate's police station and to take Jackson and Stephens here, and he also tells the driver ki when you get there, when you just move on to St. Aldate's police station, when you reach there, you take Inspector Bell with you, okay? And then he leads the stairs to his office 3 at a time. Leaping is just climbing, okay? Just jumping, okay? Got Bell on the phone immediately. He just tried to climb the stairs, okay? 3 at a time, 3 steps. Okay? He was in such a hurry that he did not step. Okay, one by one, rather he climbed 3 steps at a time. He got Mr. Bell on the phone immediately and he just told him everything, the facts before him, कि this and this thing happened. और वहां से they will not be able to follow, है ना, superintendent को समझ में नहीं आएगा कि New Grave क्या है. Actually he has to proceed to Newbury. We'll get him, Sir Bell कहते हैं, we'll get him with a bit of luck. Okay, surely we are lucky, we are going to get him. Are you understanding, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The governor sat back and lit a cigarette. Ah, gods, what a beautifully laid plan it had all been. Now the governor, he was sitting. Ab tha ki New Grave se surely again he would be caught events, okay? Or Maniman sochta tha, what a beautiful plan has been made. What a clever fellow Evans was, careless leaving that question paper behind. Though Evans had tried to be very clever, and though he was very clever, but he did a simple mistake, a very minute mistake. And what was the mistake, beta? He left the question paper there. समझ में आया? उसने वहां पर question paper छोड़ दिया. यही mistake
ma'am.
करी. If he would have taken the question paper with him, surely nobody would have known where he had gone. Okay. They all made the mistake somewhere along the line. और फिर गवर्नर सोचते हैं even we all, है ना, had made the mistake, some of the other mistakes, they were made by us. Well, almost all of them, and he thinks that everybody has made a mistake, even he himself. And that is why very, very shortly, Mr. Clever Evans would be back inside doing his work. और फिर सोचता है now, as the plan, it has been unveiled. Okay, it has been now disclosed. So very soon, events again, he would be gracing the prison. Clear? He would be back in the prison. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sure?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, bye, beta. Take care. God bless
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.